Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the LuxenHome indoor planters. This is a 2-pack of indoor plant pots. They do have multiple quantities and different color options available. This is going to be the white planter with gold stand, and it's going to be housing the plant you see right here. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we have a customer service and contact card with their information if you ever have any questions. Next, you'll see one of the two included planters. Now they are different sizes. This is the larger one. And then here's the second planter. This is the smaller one. For size, you'll see how the smaller one can fit in the larger one. And last but not least, you'll find 2 packs for the metal stands. You'll notice 2 different sizes for these, and the larger one's gonna have the red kit with your hardware. Here's a look at both stands opened up, but not assembled yet. Hopefully we can fix what looks like some wobbly, off-balance legs. So the only thing we have to do is put that bolt right through there. So line up the hole, fasten that in, just start it with your fingers and then tighten with the included Allen wrench. It'll look just like that when finished. All right, there's both of them fully set up. I tried my best to bend these to try to get them to be straighter, but unfortunately, you can just tell very cheaply made. I mean, look at the weld on this. And here, it might have been somebody's first day on the job. I'm not really sure what was going on here, but the build quality, I'd say, is definitely subpar. You need to have these welds right so the whole unit can sit upright. This one looks a little bit better. I had better luck shifting it around than the larger one that's just really out of whack. The good news is, depending on where you're storing these, people might not notice. You always will, but there's the larger one. Doesn't look that bad, especially on carpet. It helps to forgive some of it. You could always rotate it to the better side. Smaller one, it's fine. Larger one, still out around somewhat. So build quality's not there, which is a bummer, because I really like how these look. The design's great, the white and the gold. Just need to have better quality on the actual welding and assembly to get this where it needs to be.